ब्राइटर माइंड्स प्रोग्राम क्या है?
जी सर, तो मैं थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन आपको देती हूँ एंड देन चिल्ड्रन विल डेमोन्स्ट्रेट सम स्किल्स टू यू.
Okay.
So in last 2 decades, neuroscience has taken a quantum leap, and we have various studies and researches available on how to work on various cognitive abilities. That means different parts of the brain. So like Dr. Nivedita said that, how to improve focus. Everyone says focus, but how to do that? So Brighter Mind actually comes in the role where our mission is to give tools, techniques and methods to kids so that not only they enhance their cognitive functioning, but also they excel in whatever they do. Apart from that, they become good human beings, because we also work on emotional quotient part, empathy, compassion. So they should excel, they should remain happy, and they should be very good human beings, and with lot of confidence they should move ahead in life. Whatever may happen in life, they should be happy and excelling. So that is our overall objective of this program. How we work on this program: so we have research team in which different members are there from across the globe, and they all came together, and through various studies and researches we have designed fun-filled activities for kids, and designed few structured programs. So for kids we have Alpha Plus. For adults also we have Restart program. So these are structured programs in which various fun-filled activities are there, because joy is very important. So one part is these interventions, and other part is in which environment we are doing it. So loving, joyful, fun-filled environment, we do these activities so that these kids enjoy thoroughly, and in the process they also get these skills enhanced. So couple of activities, couple of exercises we will be showing you, but this is the tip of the iceberg. We do many more activities which they can.
Okay, let me see them.
So first let us exercise with Shankar. Yeah, over to you, Shankar.
Hello everyone. So let's do some exercises. We all know that physical exercises, but our brain also requires some exercises. So let's do some brain exercises. In the first exercise, take your index and pinky, and in the other hand, index and middle. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, you keep changing.
Yep.
Okay, so you do this, and then you do this, and then you do this and this, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then we change the other hand to
Right. Okay, I get it.
9, 10. And in the next exercise, keep one hand above your head and another near your stomach.
Right.
So then hand above your head should go up, down, and the hand near your stomach should go as so.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like you should go straight up.
Oh, straight, sorry. Okay. Right.
5, 6. Now let's change hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Will you like to do some exercises? Will you like to do something?
I want to see what exercises you do, and I want to know why you do them.
We do it to improve
Concentration?
Yeah.
Focus?
Yes. Exactly that. So we do it to able to focus and go, and both our brains are able to coordinate and such.
Right. Got it. And it helps you?
Yep, it helps a lot.
Okay. And it helps you in your schoolwork and things you study or things you do at home. What does it help you in?
Actually, it helps in
All these things. Very good.
It gets our hand coordinating, so it gets easier to then when we have to do it very fast.
Right. Got it. Okay. Wonderful. Well done, Shankar. Very well done. I can't do this exercise the way you do it. Your hand-eye coordination is better than mine. So congratulations on that. So who else has got something to show me?
Yeah, so sir, actually what happens to these exercises, in neuroscientific studies they say that harmonization, coordination and balance of different neural functions becomes better, and that is how they become better in different skills like focus and then also creativity. They also enhance their fine motor skills with that, and comprehension also goes higher. Yeah. So we have Srinidhi with us, sir. And this program we also intend to improve memory retention capability of kids, and memory will be demonstrated by Srinidhi. So what we can do, you can give some random 15-20 words and in order, and Srinidhi will just sit with eyes closed and she would listen to those words once. You can give English simple words, she's a small girl, so you can give English words, and she will be listening to those words. And then you can ask number, she can try to tell which word was at that number. So for that also, you can note down so that you can check it.
Okay. I won't be able to keep track of all the numbers right now because I don't know. I have to think of 20 words first and then think of what order it is, then so I'll know whether she's right or wrong. So
I can write.
Just 1 minute. Let me see if I can find. Okay. 20 words. So how many words?
Yeah, 15-20 words you can.
Okay, 15 words. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 13 English, Oxford, hands, boarding, students.
So maybe sir, we can give it number wise. So 13 was English and 14 was Oxford, right? Some 20
right.
words in order in number. So number
okay,
13.
so let me now start with the number. Can I start again?
So from 1 you can start 1 number at what word, then 2 number what word, like that.
Okay, so I should put 1 Oxford, whatever it is. So 1 English, 2 Oxford, 3 hands, 4 houses, 5 students, 6 girls, 7 beauty, 8 scholarship, 9 father, 10 Punjabi. Okay, I just want to test you in 10 words.
Srinidhi, could you listen to all the words?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I should ask you a number.
Yes,
So what was number 2?
Oxford.
Wow. What was number 4?
Houses.
Well done. Well done. What was number 6?
Girls.
You passed all the tests. I don't need to test you any further. You're very good. You got it down. Well done. Huge congratulations. Very good. Wonderful. So how do you do this? You sort of paint a pattern in your mind between the words? You create a pattern?
Yes, we are taught many memory techniques at Brighter Minds, and other than that, the exercises and activities improves our memory automatically.
Right. So do you create a story between these words? No, you have a different technique. Okay, great. Because sometimes when we, as actors, have to learn our words, we learn the words, but then to imagine, keep remembering what comes after what, sometimes we create a story in our mind, linking these words and thoughts. So then we, even after speaking a long paragraph, we know how the next paragraph begins, because in our minds we create a link between this paragraph and that paragraph with a word that we remember. So actors have to remember a lot of words for their roles. So memories of exercises are terrific, and you passed with flying colors. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, who else is there we have today?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now we have Chandrika with us. And Chandrika, do you want to share something with sir?
Yes, so I have in a bowl, I have so many different colors balls. So now I have this blindfold. So I am going to apply it on my eye, and then I am going to shuffle all the balls and try to identify the color of balls.
Wow, how do you do that?
So, sir, just to add something, we also train kids for observation, improvement, and intuition. And these activities are tangible proof that their focus, observation, and intuition goes higher. And in neuroscience, we call it sensory substitution and augmentation. So we have got 5 senses. So when we are closing our eyes, can we try to comprehend from other senses? That is a part of sensory substitution. We will also demonstrate sensory augmentation to you today. So we'll be trying to feel the color, smell the color, and that is how she will be trying to tell you the color.
Now I will shuffle the balls. I will try to identify the color. The color is blue.
Wow.
Now I am going to shuffle it once again.
When we train our senses, our observation goes higher because mind comprehends basis inputs. It doesn't care and it doesn't know from where input has come. It just knows what to do with that input.
The color is yellow.
Right, brilliant.
Okay, so I will show one more activity. So I have here a book.
Thank you.
So now my mom will give me a chapter, or you can type a name of the chapter on the number. So then she will give me the page, open that page, and then I will try to read what is written.
So she will not be seeing, sir. She will just try to feel the letters and read your book. So you can mention any page and her mom can open that page and give her.
Okay.
And write it in the chat box so that she doesn't know. You can close your eyes, Chandrika, and put your blindfold so that you don't know which page is given. And sir will be giving that page to your mama on chat box.
One second. So how if I gave you let me see here. Yeah, how about page number 96.
So I will try to read from here. Chapter number is 3. Days of Love and Glory.
Wow.
Sandokan and Parveen Babi.
Wow. Amazing. How do you do that?
Just by because of doing exercises and practicing it.
Wow.
So I will read a sentence also. Fifth star are the objects of a million fantasies.
Wow. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Mind-boggling stuff. Mind-boggling. So you just sense what the words are, is it?
Yes, because I'm practicing and all, practicing the exercises and doing the practice of identifying the colors and then going level up. Then we can identify some more activities or anything else.
Read my book before? Did you read my whole book?
No, sir.
Really? Without reading the book also you found these words?
Yes.
Wow, that's absolutely staggering. Wow. I'm very impressed. I'm blown away.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank
You're
you.
highly developed senses. Namaskar ji, namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir.
My pleasure. You're a very gifted and wonderful child, psychically sensitive. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Chandrika. Thank you so much. Thank you, sister, for coming with Chandrika. Sir, we have Parth and Arav here. And Parth, over to you. You want to share with us?
Yeah. So this is my younger brother Arav, and now he's going to be shuffling some cubes, which I'm going to be solving blindfolded.
Okay.
So, sir, Parth has not taken any formal training for solving Rubik Cube. After Brighter Minds, his logical and mathematical skills went very high. And that is how he started solving Rubik Cube at his own. And he can solve 17 types of different Rubik Cube now. Yeah, he is showing all here. And any cube that Arav gives him, he can solve it without seeing. By touching, he can understand colors and then he applies his logic.
I have doubled this cube. Now I am giving it to Parth.
Okay. He has put blindfold, but just to be double sure, he's also solving it.
Wait a second.
Just no.
So through observation and intuition, he is seeing colors with logic.
Wow. That's staggering. Absolutely staggering.
Very good.
Now, this is three, which I'm going to be solving with one hand.
Till Parth is doing, I will show you my drawings.
So
Okay.
these are two brothers, sir. Parth has developed logical and mathematical skills a lot, and Arav has developed creative abilities. Without any formal training, draw, he can sketch. He also sketched for you. He started trying.
Oh, beautiful.
Araf, do you want to show the sketch that you made for sir?
Yes, I am showing it after these three. Then I will show you your sketch, Kavi sir. And I don't think that become perfect. And I will show you now name in calligraphy.
He has written your name in calligraphy without seeing. So this he has done without with senses.
I have tried your sketch, but I don't think this is perfect.
No, but it's very close. Very close. Very close. Very good.
Now this is your name. I have written in calligraphy.
Right. Beautifully done. How beautifully. Well done.
I can do in live also.
Oh, marvelous. So these color blocks on the Rubik's Cube and all that, has each color been given a different scent or anything?
What?
What?
Has each color been given a different scent, a different smell?
Yeah. Like the green color gives the scent of like nature and everything. Orange gives the smell for the fruit orange. So
Yeah, so just to clear it, sir. Actually, different colors have different vibrations. When we work with senses, they can feel, they can smell those colors. But if I give you or anyone else who is not trained in this, we will not get any smell. But when we train these kids, they enhance their smell sense. Then they are able to get that through smell. Through
They get that just because of the vibration of the color, not because you put some perfume on there.
Yeah, no, we have not put any perfume. These are normal cubes.
Wow, wow. How fantastic. How utterly fantastic. Huge congratulations, guys. I am so impressed by your sensitivity and your psychic skills and your ability to tune in to those vibrations. My father used to talk about things like that. He believed in the vibration of each color, the potential of each color, the effect of each color on you. And he used to talk about those things long before anyone else did. And he was a New Age philosopher in Europe, and I've written about him in my book. So you people are living proof of what he talked about, and what you've shown me is absolutely mind-blowing, absolutely fantastic. So huge congratulations to all of you. All of you. I'm so impressed by every single one of you who've shown me all these things. What can I say? There's Shankar and Chandrika and is it Nakshatra?
Yeah, it was Srinidhi.
Nakshatra. And Priya and Pearl and Partha and Arav. Just amazing.
thank you.
I'm so impressed by all of you. Huge congratulations. It's amazing what you're doing. And congratulations to teachers who taught you these wonderful sensitivities. You're doing some remarkable work.
Thank you, sir. So now we want to show you something to the next level also. If you are ready, we will take 5 more minutes.
Sure.
Yeah, two more exercises, right, Surabhi? We have
Two more, and we will.
Okay. Yes.
This is Nakshatra, sir. Small girl.
And Nakshatra.
So my name is Nakshatra, and today what I'm going to do is, so on a paper you have to write any sentence in capital letters, and you have to just show it near the screen, and I'll try to identify it, and I'll write it in calligraphy method.
Okay. So I have to write 2 words in capital letters.
Yeah, and I'll put the blindfold so that I can't see.
Okay. All right. Do I have to do this on a white piece of paper or any piece of paper?
Any piece of paper.
Let me do it on a white piece of paper so it's easier.
You don't have to tell me. You have to just write.
Okay. One on top of the other?
No, anyhow.
1 second, let me get this. One minute, I'm still writing the word. Okay, now I've written 2 words, and I put 1 line above, 1 line below, and 2 words. Now, should I put it next to the camera?
Yeah, so you can show it to the camera. So Nakshatra will try to feel at distance and then write the same.
Okay.
So Nakshatra, if calligraphy takes time, you can write, fast.
Yeah, won't take. So I'm using the color blue.
Question
Done.
you can see they have written.
Wow. That is absolutely unbelievably brilliant. Wonderful.
So for the next activity, what you can just do is you can hold any object near the screen and I try to recognize it and I tell it to you.
Okay, any object near the screen.
Yeah, any object.
Okay. Shall I hold the object in my hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a ballpoint pen.
Wow. How do you do that?
So with the exercises and the practice of the things that we get trained with, that we can do, and our sensory sensation.
Just amazing, just amazing. You got such wonderfully sensitive and psychically gifted children, and I really salute you for what you're doing. Wonderful. A whole new age is upon us. Thank you for being that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nakshatra. So, sir, actually what happens, we train, this is also one part of training, we train them how to bring their condition of mind to alpha state. There are various conditions of mind. Like when we are happy, there is one condition of mind. When we are sad, there is one condition of mind. Angry, one condition of mind. In neuroscience, we give them different names and different frequencies are allocated for that. So like alpha state is the state of mind, condition of mind, when your learning capabilities go maximum. I mean, they are optimized. And also we access intuition in that. And your performance also goes higher. So you become very efficient and effective in that condition. So we train kids.
Right.
And also we have adults program in which we train them how to maintain their condition of mind to alpha state. So we
Right.
have here. Okay, Priya, over to you.
Yes. So I'm going to show you another amazing activity. For this, I will put all the chicks in this pouch, in this bowl inside this pouch. Now for verification, I'll show you there's nothing inside this pouch. There is nothing inside this. And I will also show you that all the chits, there are around 15 of them, and all of them have different words written on them. They have different words written on them. And I'll blindfold myself. I will shuffle all these chits once again and put all these chits, and these are folded chits. So even with open eyes, we cannot see what is written on it.
Right.
So I will put these chits inside this pouch, and then I will blindfold myself, and I will try to recognize one chit, what is written inside that.
All right. Okay.
Okay. So now I am shuffling all the chits. I am shuffling them very thoroughly. And this is the pouch. I am putting all the chits inside this pouch. And after putting inside the pouch, I will also shuffle the chits inside the pouch. Now I am thoroughly shuffling inside the pouch also.
Yeah.
Cool. So I will show it to you.
Wow. Wow. Just amazing. Absolutely wonderful what you do. Absolutely wonderful. And you just do that by sensing what the word is it?
Yes. So what happens due to Brighter Minds, we have some music, and because of which we come to alpha state, our mind comes to alpha state. And in alpha state, our observation, our intuition, our concentration enhances. So because of which, when we try to blindfold, our whole focus is, for example, I did this chit. So my whole focus was on that chit, what must be written in it. And plus there is something written inside this folded slip. So I tried to sense it, like for example S. So I got this vibrations like it must be S. So that is the way I did it.
Wow. Quite staggering, quite amazing. Really outstanding what you people do. I'm so happy to see what you're doing. So happy to see what you're doing. And so impressed by what you're doing. This is really a quantum leap. And I'm so proud of all of you and of the Brighter Minds program and of your teachers and Daji for guiding you in this. And you have my heartfelt congratulations and good wishes. And may you continue with this. May you spread the message to other people to make yourselves more evolved people and to make the world a better place and to make society richer for your presence. So huge congratulations to all of you. God bless you, and may you continue evolving and exploring and developing your wonderful talents and gifts. And I thank all those who guide you for it. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kabir sir, for your time, valuable time.
My pleasure.
Really very kind of you. I would like to thank Surbhi, the coordinator. She coordinated all over India. All the kids, our gems are in different parts of India. So they all are here in front of you. Thank you so much, all the kids. Priya, Nakshatra, Shankar, Pearl, and Parth and his younger brother. Thank you. You all are wonderful. We are so proud of you. Please keep practicing, and thank you for taking so much time for presenting. A big thank you to our director, Chief Sanjay Sehgal Bhaiya. Thank you for organizing.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Nivedita. Thank you, Surbhi. And thank you, children. Thank you all for making this a wonderful afternoon.
See you soon in Kanha.
I look forward to being there. I look forward to being there very soon. Bye now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
God bless you all. Keep doing the wonderful things you're doing.
Kabirji, hope it was worth your time.
It was enlightening. It was absolutely enlightening. I'm thrilled to have done this. Thank you for giving me the opportunity of seeing it and sharing all this with your wonderful children. And I salute Daji and you and Nivedita and Surabhi for the Brighter Minds program, because obviously this is more than brighter minds. These are psychically awake minds, which is a quantum leap beyond brighter minds. So congratulations and my best wishes for everything. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Surabhi, when?
हाँ भैया. Was it little longer?
No, I think
No.
शुरू में थोड़ा सा लग रहा था मुझे कि I was sensitive to the time that overall time it takes. But I think we did it in well. I mean, it was just 35-40 minutes. That was good.
Superstars, all our kids
Very
are
nice.
stars.
I'm really
Very nice.
Very nice.
Big round of applause for all of you guys. Big round of applause. You all make us so proud.
I think he's Mr. Kabir Bedi is planning to come to Kanha August first week. I don't meaning I'll check with Daji if I don't know if he feels comfortable other kids can come or not. I'll check with him,
हम एक गाड़ी में करके भैया have our own cars, तो हम उस कार में we are vaccinated